Rich Brome from PhoneScoop here, taking a look at the new ZTE Blade V9 and V9 Vita, a pair of affordable Android phones. These specific incarnations aren't headed to the US, but ZTE expects to bring something very similar to the US for its usual carrier partners. The phones both have 2:1 ratio displays, which means more screen and a narrower body. Even in 2018, not all affordable phones have this, so it's nice to see ZTE is on the ball with this important feature. There are also dual cameras on both phones, another nice plus. The higher-end V9 has a glass back with a lovely shimmer effect, but it's something that could change in the US version. There's a 3.5mm audio jack on top. The second camera is optimized for low light situations. ZTE has thoughtfully put a rough texture on the lock key to make the keys easier to tell apart by feel. The metal body on the V9 has a matte texture that feels very nice. You can see the micro USB port on the bottom, but ZTE has begun pushing USB-C in the US recently, so that could change in the US version too. The V9 Vita is very similar, just a bit smaller and more affordable. The screen steps down from 5.7 inches to 5.5, and from Full HD resolution to 720. The sides and back are also plastic, but the rest of the design and feature list is similar, including a fingerprint reader on the back. ZTE has been actively soliciting community feedback for a couple of years now. What they've been saying loud and clear is that people want stock Android, as designed by Google. ZTE listened and is using stock software in the US these days. The camera app supports portrait mode, night mode, manual, time-lapse, slow motion, and, because it's 2018, an AR feature. It's not terribly sophisticated, but it can be fun. It's also worth noting that both models pack Snapdragon 400 series processors, and the higher-end V9 has the new Snapdragon 450. We expect US prepaid carriers like Metro PCS, Cricket, or Boost to offer some variants of these phones this year, probably under different names.